low capital will mean different things to different people. So I don't know what low capital means to you. For some folks, low capital could be $10,000, and that would be one particular kind of answer I would give. For other folks, low capital could be $100, and that would of course be a different kind of answer I will give to you. So, thing number one, be specific. Be specific. Ask me specific questions, get specific answers. However, let's assume that we're talking low capital means not much cash at all, and let's assume it actually means $100. So, what do you do in that situation? Pretty simple. What I would do in that situation, if it were me, is I would start with a product idea that I wanted to private label. I would then find a manufacturer, and indeed find a distributor, should I say, a distributor who was already selling a similar product in a similar niche. So if I wanted to sell, I don't know, almonds, for instance, in packets, and I didn't want to go to the expense of putting together my own private label product of almonds, or almonds, or whatever you want to call them, then I would find a wholesaler for it, and I would start by wholesaling the product. Now, why do that? Well, that would tell me, with a very small amount of capital at risk, because you could buy 10 packets of almonds for $5 a pop, meaning your total capital on the line was $50. I would be able to get my product up onto Amazon. I'd be able to use the images that the wholesaler gave to me, write my own copy, etc., etc., and I could get myself up and tested and started very, very cheaply. So I would do that, and then as soon as I've worked out that the product works, I would then private label my own product, and then I would get much more of the available money, because that's where the money is. There isn't really a heap of money in wholesaling when you compare it with private label, because you've got another person in the chain. You've got a middleman, the distributor, who's taking a percentage of the money. But it's a fantastic way of starting with very low amounts of money. And if you're thinking to yourself, well, I need some ideas, then you might want to go and check out what Jeffrey Loho does, and go and check out the wholesale report. How do I get to that thing? I don't know, it's not even there. Anyway, go Google it, or go and ask in the group, it's in there for you. Go and look at Jeffrey's wholesale report. He gives you product ideas, he gives you wholesale product ideas, he also gives you suppliers. It's like $9.95 for the first month, and then it's $47 a month thereafter, and you get wholesale ideas. It's bloody brilliant. So Sean, that's what I would do if I were in your shoes, and if we're talking like a very small amount of money, like $100, that's what I would do. Having said all that, when you're launching your business, more money is better. More is better. So the more you've got, the more you can do, the more mistakes you can make, the less stress you have, etc., etc., etc. So more is better. However, if you ain't got much, and let's face it, not everybody's got much, then it's a great way of actually getting yourself started by starting on the wholesale route first and foremost. Hope that helps. Shauno.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.